Hello and welcome to today's video. This video brings to you a 1,280 square feet 3-bedroom shipping container house design. Stay tuned as we take a tour through the house. Good, welcome back. In our past episodes, we covered in detail the MODBOX 1280L, which is a living module made from 2 shipping containers, and an MODBOX 640B, which was a bedrooms module made from 2 40-foot shipping containers. This video brings to you a modern shipping container modular home design formed by combining the living module and the bedrooms module to create an elegant 3-bedroom shipping container house with an L-shaped floor plan from 4 shipping containers. This video will highlight the design brief of the bedrooms and the living module, 3D floor plans of the entire house, full color pictures of the exterior and the interior design with finishes options, plus a cost estimate checklist to guide you in your own container house project. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our inspiring weekly videos on amazing design ideas from shipping containers. We look at the foundation design. Before the container modules are delivered on site, it is advisable to have an appropriate foundation to accommodate your new container modules. Use a raised foundation to elevate the containers away from moisture. The elevated position of the container will provide a height necessary to accommodate any outdoor seating for your living and bedroom spaces. In this house design, we've used a raft foundation to hold our container modules. Feel free to watch our previous presentation on 5 foundation types to use on a shipping container house. The next thing we look at is the structure and modification. This modular design uses 4 40-foot shipping containers to create a 1,280 plus square feet MODBOX 1280L 3-bedroom house. This design accommodates the following features. From the entrance lobby, on your right is an open plan living module encompassing a laundry room, an open plan kitchen with an island to accommodate a breakfast table for 3, a dining table for 6 or a maximum of 8, and a spacious lounge opening to an outdoor family terrace accessed through the full height sliding doors. From the entrance lobby on your left, you can access the bedrooms module, which is connected to the living module through the roomper's room. This roomper's room can double up as a TV room or a children's playroom. From here, you can access the 2 other bedrooms on the right-hand side or go to the master bedroom ensuite with a walk-in closet on the right-hand side. Each module is designed with a laundry unit, and in the bedrooms module, the laundry unit has been converted into a small study room. The 2 bedrooms share a common bathroom in between the study and the master bathroom. This design series uses standardized optimal sized windows and doors which do not require any specialized modification to the walls of the shipping containers save for the full height 3-meter wide doors openings to the family terrace and all the outdoor seating spaces. Adequate fenestration for daylighting helps to kill the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container. Because of the wide openings and the open plan living design of the living space, people have been asking me, how do you structurally accommodate all these cutouts? And the answer is simple. A structural steel column and beam has been introduced between the lounge and the dining. In addition, we have additional structural reinforcement on the kitchen cum laundry partition. All these have been done to structurally improve the performance of these modules when placed on site. On the interior design, we've adopted a minimalist interior when furnishing our shipping container house. You are encouraged to use space-saving furniture ideas like Murphy beds in the bedroom so that you can allow multifunctional use of the space without littering the space with too much furniture. Use flat pack cabinets for the wardrobes and also for the kitchen, since these custom units are versatile and they come in a range of colors and sizes to choose from. Flat packs will also help you save on time and money. Insulation and temperature control. The interior of a living space in these particular modules is lined with an appropriate insulation material depending on the climate of where you want to build them. Insulation is essential because it prevents condensation, which can corrode the containers and also cause mold formation. To achieve the best results in cold climate location, use closed cell spray foam insulation. In tropical climate, keeping away heat from your house is the biggest challenge. Insulation blanket with plasterboard lining will do just fine. To finish off the interior, the walls are lined with plasterboard and given a light colored paint to make the interior space look brighter and bigger. You are encouraged to use a damp-proof coarse underlay to cover the existing container plywood floor, then finish it with laminated timber flooring and an appropriate tile finish for all the wet areas. You are encouraged to use similar materials to finish all the wet areas of the house in order to create a harmonious interior. Outdoors and exterior design. A deck is a quick and an easy way to add extra living space to the rather limited space inside a shipping container. With the limited width of 2.4 meters wide, this design has managed to accommodate sufficient outdoor space to complement these rather constricting dimensions of shipping containers. This design comes with a 1.2 meter wide wooden canopy and deck spanning the entire frontage of the living module and the container end openings for the master bedroom on the bedrooms module. An additional patio space from the living room accessed through the full height sliding door has also been provided to complement the living function. The original cargo doors on all the containers have been removed and replaced with full height sliding doors to enhance access and daylighting. To cover off the large walls on the container that are left bare, a mesh wire is welded onto the exterior to accommodate vines and climbers to introduce a bit of greenery. If you are using a one-trip container, consider leaving the exterior as it is with its original color and markings to preserve its charm and history. To help on saving the cost of painting the exterior, this is the best way to go about it. This design comes with additional timber modules to form the entrance porch to the living module, a Juliet balcony enclosure to the master bedroom, and a timber fascia board to the entire house containing the roof. Other exterior cladding options can be explored. Every base model of MODBOX 1280L comes covered with a signature standard seam flat roof to protect the containers from direct solar radiation and other weather elements. The MODBOX 1280L Home Series comes with a cost estimate checklist. This is an itemized checklist to guide you on the things to consider when planning for your own shipping container project. These inclusions vary depending on what you find necessary and appropriate for your design. If you like this design and you want to make an extension to your existing house, or you want to build your new 3-bedroom house, then feel free to visit our website and purchase the blueprints and give them to your builder or fabricate it yourself as a DIY project. The standard set of drawings come in DWG and PDF formats to suit your preference. The set of drawings have dimensioned floor plans. We have elevations, we have a roof plan, foundation plan, and all the details. For any revisions, design inquiries, and custom design, contact us on our website sheltermod.com. So, what do you feel about our new shipping container modular design? Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you need further inspiration, feel free to visit our YouTube channel and check out our other container homes designs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly videos on inspiring design ideas from shipping containers. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.